This cinnamon apple cake is the perfect fall dessert, but if I'm honest, I eat it for breakfast too. First, peel and slice one apple. I like to use Honeycrisp. Then pour in your granulated sugar and some cinnamon. Then pour in about a half a cup of vegetable oil, followed by 2 eggs, and just whisk them up a little bit to break up the yolks. Pour the eggs in, then add about a half a cup of Greek yogurt. You could also use sour cream if you can't find Greek yogurt though. Then finally about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's it for the wet ingredients. Once combined, sift in your dry ingredients, which are all-purpose flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Sifting the dry ingredients in just helps to ensure that there are no lumps in the batter when you mix it all together. Now to make the cinnamon sugar topping, just combine a 1/4 cup of brown sugar with a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. It's going to be kind of a thick paste, and then you can just use your hands to crumble it over top of the cake once it's in the pan. Also, don't worry, my hands are always clean when I'm baking. Then this just needs to bake at 350 for about 30 to 35 minutes. So the cake needs to cool completely, and right before you're ready to serve, make a simple glaze by combining a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. And it's best to use sifted powdered sugar because that will reduce the number of lumps in your glaze. Then you can just pour this over your cake after you remove it from the pan and it's cooled completely. This may just be my favorite fall recipe. Let me know if you try it, and click on one of these other great recipes and subscribe for more amazing videos.